The legal hurdles confronting former President Donald Trump are growing more intense, as experts assert that Judge Tanya Chutkan possesses a formidable case against him that could persist, even if he were to secure re-election in the 2024 presidential race. In a report published by Raw Story on Thursday, July 4, 2024, this development injects a significant layer of intricacy into Trump's potential return to the political arena, underscoring the unparalleled nature of his legal battles amidst his pursuit of the presidency. Judge Tanya Chutkan, a distinguished U.S. District Court judge for the District of Columbia, has been presiding over one of the high-profile lawsuits against Trump, particularly concerning his actions surrounding the Capitol riot on January 6. Legal experts maintain that Chutkan's case is fortified by substantial evidence and legal arguments that could withstand various legal maneuvers and political pressures. Judge Chutkan's case rests upon a solid legal foundation, proclaims constitutional law professor Mark Williams. The evidence presented and the legal theories underpinning the case are robust enough to persist, regardless of Trump's political stature. The prospect of Trump potentially facing trial while vying for or even holding the highest office in the land gives rise to a multitude of legal and constitutional quandaries. Throughout history, incumbent presidents have been shielded from prosecution in order to maintain the smooth functioning of the executive branch. However, when it comes to a president-elect or a re-elected president facing trial, the legal landscape becomes murkier and less defined. This situation lacks a clear-cut precedent, elucidates legal analyst Sarah Thompson. While the Constitution outlines mechanisms for addressing presidential misconduct, such as impeachment, it does not explicitly tackle the scenario of a president undergoing a criminal trial while in office. The intricacy of this predicament is further compounded by Trump's polarizing presence in the political arena. His supporters perceive the legal cases against him as politically motivated, while his detractors consider them crucial for upholding the principles of justice. This division amplifies the significance of Judge Chutkan's decisions in the broader judicial process. Despite the political tensions, legal scholars emphasize the utmost importance of the judiciary's independence. The judiciary must remain impartial and uphold the law without any political bias, affirms former federal judge Nancy Carter. Judge Chutkan's duty is to ensure that the case is adjudicated solely on its legal merits, disregarding any potential political ramifications. If Trump were to secure another term in office, the intricacies surrounding the possibility of his trial would be unparalleled. Legal scholars propose the notion of postponing the trial, perhaps until after his tenure concludes, but this approach could clash with time limitations imposed by the law and the public's yearning for swift justice. Postponing the trial could present complications, asserts the erudite criminal law professor David Harris. It may be perceived as granting a sitting president the ability to elude accountability, thus establishing a disconcerting precedent. On the other hand, conducting a trial while Trump remains in power would give rise to security and operational hurdles. The logistics of orchestrating a court appearance for a sitting president would be intricate, necessitating extensive security measures and potentially disrupting his presidential obligations. Beyond these practical concerns, the ramifications for American democracy are profound. A trial involving a sitting or re-elected president would test the fortitude of the nation's legal and political systems, potentially leading to reforms or clarifications in constitutional law. This situation serves as a stark reminder of the urgent necessity for well-defined legal frameworks when it comes to holding the president accountable, asserts constitutional expert Emily Rodriguez. Regardless of political affiliations, it is absolutely crucial to establish mechanisms that ensure the president remains subject to the law. As the legal proceedings unfold, all eyes are fixed on Judge Chutkan and the broader judicial system's capacity to navigate this uncharted territory. The outcome of this case has the potential to leave a lasting impact on the intricate intersection of law and politics in the United States, shaping the future handling of legal challenges involving high-ranking officials. For now, the nation watches with bated breath as Judge Chutkan forges ahead with a case that possesses the power to redefine the boundaries of presidential accountability and the role of the judiciary in upholding democracy.